explain the condition-based preventive maintenance. So let's start. So after login, we need to click on the asset and PPM part. Once we click on the asset and PPM part, we need to select the asset where we want to add this feature. So this feature is based on the asset parameters. You can see we have added multiple parameters like temperature, voltage, current, etc. If you want to add some more parameters, you can add from the plus field. Okay, plus field. Then you have to select the parameters. If you're unable to find that parameter, you can also create your own parameters. Okay, suppose you need to add some more parameters in the form of uh, ratings. Ratings in KWS. It's just an example, and we have to select the type. One thing I need to mention, like the condition based preventive maintenance based on the input which are in the form of the numbers only. Okay, then we need to click on the create new field. So we can also select that field which we have already created. So in the next part, I'm going to explain how we can set these rules. So to set these rules, like condition based rules, we need to click on the PMS part, then select the previous PMS. Then we need to click on the condition. You can see I have already created, so I will explain how I can create. Okay, so for that we need to click on the setting part. Then we need to mention any name of the rule. Okay, then the parameters, on which parameter you want to set that rule. Suppose for voltage I'm going to add. Then the condition, which condition do you want to apply for this. Okay, so for this I'm going to use the lesser than, and then the matrix like 100, 200. Okay, then we have to select the work order type, priority, and the initial status. Then we need to click on the save button. Okay, so I have already set, you can see the lesser than 100. So if I input the voltage lesser than 100, it will create a work order. Okay, so let's check. So in the info field, I have already added some parameters. So I have just added the rules based on the voltage, and the rules were lesser than 100. Okay, so I'm going to add the parameter which are less than 100. Okay, suppose I'm going to add 60, which is lesser than 100. Now I'm going to save this. You can see updated successfully. Now I'm going to check the work order. Okay, now I'm going to check the work order. You can see 8:47. The current time is 8:47. The system has created a work order because we have set the rule, condition based rule, and that got violated. Okay. Once we click on that work order, you can see why this order created. So it will create it due to triggered condition. You can see over here. Okay, so once this work order created, it will reflect to the admin. Okay, and it will also reflect to the ground staff through the notification. Okay, so this is all about the condition based preventive maintenance. Thank you.